I have my Lumetri scopes. I have it docked down here. Um, you can kind of look for your levels. Now, your main level is going to be, you don't want your white scope above 100. You don't want your blacks to go below 0. Uh, but if you do, for instance, if you bring your blacks down to 0, it's going to be pretty dark. So I'd recommend in your kind of doing your rough edit to kind of leave that between 7 and 10, rather than bring it down all the way. That way you have a little something to work with if you're going to put an adjustment layer on or apply any type of an effect. Same thing with your whites. You don't really want them approaching, hitting 100. And obviously keep your skin tones in the range for the room, which so in this situation here you can see the guy's hitting about 70, which is good. That's good exposure. So you don't have to do any work with that. His blacks, you could probably bring that down a little bit. Also, you can notice that not too much color correction has been done on there, but that's something else you should look at. But if we go down here, you can see what it looked like to start with was much lighter. So if we were to maybe just tweak that just a little bit, then we kind of get right to where we should be.